Hey there, future test takers. Welcome to DET Practice, where we make your DET prep simple and effective. Today, we're going to practice a write about the photo question. Here is the picture we'll be using today. Our focus point is to use 3 advanced vocabulary words to describe the people in a concise sentence of about 23 words. Let's analyze how to choose our words. Instead of basic words like happy or fun, we want to be more descriptive. The woman in the foreground is full of energy and excitement, so a great word is exuberant. Her friend in the background is animated and lively, making vivacious a perfect choice. To describe the joyful mood of their bike ride, we can use the word gleeful. So our 3 advanced words are exuberant, vivacious, and gleeful. For this question type, a good method is to describe the people by their emotions and the environment. We can build a sentence that captures the main subject, her friend, and their shared activity. Remember the key tips. You must write at least 1 complete sentence, and it's crucial to check your grammar and spelling. A short, powerful sentence is always better than a long one with errors. A high-scoring answer could be, an exuberant woman with a radiant smile enjoys a gleeful bike ride while her vivacious friend playfully gestures from just behind her. This sentence works perfectly. It's 22 words long, uses our 3 advanced words correctly, and follows the strategy of describing the people, their emotions, and their actions in the environment. And that's a wrap for this session. To keep this momentum going, head over to detpractice.com. Sign up now to unlock your exclusive 3-day VIP trial and access hundreds of practice questions.